everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will be showing you my wash day routine. First I'm going to be starting out with the Jamaican black castor oil strengthen and restore shampoo, and this is my all-time favorite shampoo. I'm just going to go in and distribute the product, focusing on my scalp and also my ends. I do want to get my hair clean. And I'm going to go in with my shampoo brush, which I am absolutely loving. I did purchase this from Amazon. I will go ahead and link it below in the description. And I absolutely love the shampoo brush. It just gets my scalp really, really clean, and it gets out all of the dandruff. And it's been about 3 weeks since my last wash day, so my hair does need a good wash and a good clean and a good clarifying. And then I'm just going to go ahead and rinse out the shampoo. And I did shampoo my hair twice. And next I'm going to go in with my Aphogee Keratin 2-minute Reconstructor for my protein treatment. Haven't done a protein treatment in a few months, so I definitely wanted to get the protein treatment in, and this is one of my favorites. Actually my only favorite. I don't use any other protein treatments but this one. But this one has always been really gentle on my hair. It doesn't make it overly dry. I am low porosity, so this one works really, really well for me. It's not super harsh, and it always just does a really, really good job of really bringing my curls back and making my hair healthy. And I'm just distributing the product throughout my hair and gently detangling everything to make sure the product evenly coats all of my strands. And I left that in for 2 minutes. Next, I am going to go in with my all-time favorite deep conditioning treatment. It is the SheaMoisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Intensive Hydration Mask. And I'm just putting this all throughout my hair. It's really, really important after you do a protein treatment to add that moisture back into your hair so your hair is not overly dry or brittle. And I did leave that in my hair for about 10 minutes. And I am just going to rinse out the deep conditioning treatment. And I am going to be purchasing some new products. There's some new products that I want to try out. So be on the lookout for a wash day routine with me trying new products. So yeah, excited about those videos. And here's what my hair is looking like after I washed it. So this is the next day because sometimes I like to break up my wash day routine. But I did go ahead and blow dry my hair off camera. And I'm just going to go in with my Shea Silk Infusion. I love to use this before I actually flat iron my hair. Now I do use, my blow dry cream and my heat protectant when I blow dry my hair, but this Shea Silk Infusion I do like to use before I flat iron to add that nice shine that I absolutely love and get with the Shea Silk Infusion. And I'm going to go in with my Wavytalk flat iron. I'm using this just around my edges. I've seen a few people use this for their edges to kind of get like close to their edges, because the flat iron that I use to flat iron my hair doesn't get super close to my edges. So I wanted to try this one out. So that is what I am doing here, just testing it, and I do have it on 410 degrees. So next I am going to go in with my Sedu ceramic flat iron on 410 degrees. And I'm just going to do, you know, like a light soap press. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect. It is super humid out, so it's just going to puff up anyways, to be honest. But I did want to go ahead and flat iron my hair out. I am going to probably be getting a salon silk press once the weather gets cooler, so I'm hoping sometime in September, early October. So I will be getting that done, as well as a trim, maybe about 1-inch trim, which is what I usually do. My ends don't look too bad, so I shouldn't need that much trimmed. And also I am going to be testing out some new flat irons as well. The one that I use, the Sedu, is just really bulky, and the plates are really kind of like wide. I do want to get a flat iron with more narrow plates so that I'm able to curl my hair with my flat iron, because honestly I don't really like wearing my hair like super like straight and pressed out. I rather my hair have some type of curl to it. So like a flat iron curl or something. So yeah, I am looking into a flat iron. I think I know which one I do want to purchase. And here's what my hair is looking like. It is very shiny and beautiful and nice. And I did do this process, most of it off camera, because it gets super repetitious. But I'm just going in with the last few sections of my hair. And if you're not already subscribed, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos on heat trained hair. And I am going to go in with my edge fixer to lay down my flyaways at the top of my hair, just to get those to lay down. And here is what my hair is looking like. It came out pretty good. It is really hot. I did have my fan going. Nice and shiny. But that's pretty much it for today's video. Be sure to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.